He looks like Elvis. Elvis. Nothing but a hound dog. Okay, there you go. He's gonna barf. Oh, geez, he is gonna barf. I want to videotape him barfing. Okay, back to Noah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Does his hair look good?
Yeah. Yeah, look at the hair. Hair, 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 hair.
Say hi, Noah. Say hi. Say hi. Let's make him smile.
Cheese, cheese, cheese.
Smile. Smile. Yeah. Smile. Look at the camera.
Look at his hair. Look at his hair while I get the stool. Look at his hair. So I can stand up
No, just
and see his face.
kisses, 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 kisses.
Now he's mad. He looks okay. Oh, good thing we got that. Aw, he looks so cute like that.
Hi.
Hi, Noah. We should take a picture of that. Mom, wait, I'm gonna stop.